Young police officer reportedly finds gun at hotel security guard in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A police corporal was arrested after he allegedly became intoxicated and pointed his service pistol at a security guard among other persons at a hotel in Runaway Bay, St. Anne's on Friday. Information reaching Links 007 TV News is that the cop, who is assigned to the Major Investigation Division, was on the compound of the hotel in the afternoon drinking alcoholic beverages. It is alleged that he became significantly intoxicated and started to behave in a manner that was inappropriate and was confronted by the security officer on duty. After being confronted by the security officer, the corporal reportedly pointed his firearm at the security guard and other persons at the hotel. The security manager at the hotel reportedly intervened and confiscated the cop's firearm and summoned the Runaway Bay police. Upon the arrival of the police, the firearm was handed over to them and the corporal handcuffed and taken to the Runaway Bay police station. It is unclear up to the publication of this report whether any charges were laid against the police officer. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.